start. This appeal is directed against the judgment dated 17/7/2019 passed by the High Court of Karnataka at Bangalore in writ appeal number 2319 of 2018. Stop. Through the said judgment, the division bench had dismissed the appeal filed by the appellants herein. Stop. The intra-court appeal before the division bench was filed by the appellants, assailing the order dated 13/9/2017 passed by the learned single judge of that court, in writ petition number 46003 of 2013. Stop. Para. The learned single judge had allowed the writ petition filed by the respondent herein and had quashed the communication that was impugned at annexure M and N to the writ petition. Stop. Consequently, direction was issued to the appellants herein to withdraw the land belonging to the respondent, which was transferred to the Forest Department, and restore the same to the appellant in terms of sub rule 2 to rule 119 of the Karnataka Land Revenue Rules 1966. Stop. Para. The brief facts necessary to be noted for the disposal of this appeal are, the respondent claims to have succeeded to the property bearing survey number 170 measuring 45.01 acres. Stop. The said property is claimed to have been purchased by his ancestors, namely Bhima, son of Venkata Subba, in a public auction held on 10/12/1887. Stop. Para. The ancestors of the respondent and thereafter, the respondent who succeeded to the property, claim to have continued in uninterrupted possession of the said property. Stop. However, the land revenue having not been paid, the property was forfeited to the government during 1892. Stop. Though that was the position, the property remained in the possession and enjoyment of the family even after such forfeiture, and they continued to enjoy it. Stop. To that effect, the Khetwar extract for survey number 170, old survey number 132 of the year 1919 is produced in the writ petition and relied upon by the respondent. Stop. Para. When this was the position, though through notification number RD 50 LGP 96 dated 7/9/2000, the government amended sub rule 2 to rule 119 of the rules 1966, providing for restoration of the forfeited property, if such application is made during a period of not more than 1 year from the date of the commencement of the amendment, that is, within 1 year from 8/4/2000. Stop. The said benefit was granted notwithstanding the expiry of the period allowed under sub rule 1 to that rule. Stop. Para. The appellant taking benefit for the said amendment filed the applications on 30/9/2000 and 5/10/2000 seeking for restoration, which were well within the time prescribed